Rally Cat. We're gonna film a video about the Rally Cat. It's gonna be a good one. It's a good feeling board. It's the first time I've really ridden it. So I was pretty excited to get out today and try it out. See how it feels underneath my feet. First impression is good. Lots of features. I still have to figure them all out though. Scogging, skate jogging. Your foot that's on the board is so close to the ground that you barely have to bend your knee. It almost feels like you're pushing on a drop through switchblade or something. I'm gonna come on here and just kind of slide over the crest. Yeah, we're gonna see how this thing slides. Felt good. I'm getting warmed up a little. I'm remembering how to do it. Haven't skated all winter, so. There's no real transition for the tail. The tail is just created by the whole board being so rockered out. Because your feet are cocked in a little, it lines up your legs so your legs are straight, which just feels better when you're bending down, kicking out slides and stuff like that. How about you just film a slow-mo and then we can get my feet locked in on the concave. Felt clean. Even though I dropped a hand, gave a nice little love tap for extra style points. Well, that's what we'll call it. Felt like my feet weren't gonna go anywhere. They were just gonna stay exactly where I want them to. The concave just keeps your feet in the right spot. You don't have to look at where your feet are because you can feel the wheel flares under your feet. Oh yeah, this fresh blacktop, get some nice grip, make some carves. The flares are giving me extra leverage in my turns too. Those wheel flares and the rocker. So much turn. Okay, stop time. Well, I think because the tail is just a straight extension of the board, it gives you a nice leverage on it. You can really pop it up. Yeah, feels great. The Rally Cat is a combination of a rally car and an alley cat. So fast and agile. So far it lives up to its name. The rocker makes a lot of things easier on this board. Pushing, foot braking, anything you would do on a regular basis, point A to B, is overall improved by the shape of the rocker. I like this street. This is on the way to the warehouse. It's not really a typical street because it's got all these bricks. The fatty hogs are gonna help me out a lot on the brick. Soft wheels, oh yeah! Oh, that is nice. These polar bears are actually great for sliding. You'd think of them as a street truck, but they're great for downhill too. It's nice and carvy. Do some slalom. Carve these trucks. 155 mil. Polar bears. Whip. 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 We're right by the Pandora warehouse. If you live in Canada, this is probably where your board came from. So we're just gonna stop in there and say hi. Where's Tomas? Tomas isn't here. This is what it's like to be Tomas.
Alex?
Hey Tomas.
Get out of here.
How's it going? We're here to say hi. This is Tomas. He's a boss. Tomas the boss. There's a good one. Oh, let's see who else is in here. Oh yeah. These guys are all shredders. Yeah, dude, how's it going? Yeah, that's Harlan.
That's me.
And who are you?
I'm Dallas.
That's Dallas. And who's that? Who are you? Brandon? Yeah. Hey man, we'll have to come film with these guys another time because they all shred, but we're pretty busy. So let's just get out of here. Let's go rally the cat. Why don't we find a path? Pathway skating is the best. These look pretty cool. I love paths. This spot is very suited to this board. Don't you think? There we go. This is what it looks like to truly enjoy a board. I really like the way this board ollies. What is it? Yeah, two hash browns and McDouble.
We don't do all day breakfast.
No! That's flipped. Okay, well, how about just McDouble and a junior chicken. They don't have a all-day breakfast. No potatonator. I'm just gonna have to go for the McGangbang. The absolute classic. Sometimes I take the bread out, but like I'm pretty hungry right now, so this is the McGangbang. We had an awesome day skating. We're gonna stop by the factory store and see if there's any fresh rally cats to look at. Aaron, what's up?
Good to see you.
You too. What are you up to?
Just popping by the shop. And what about you?
Filming the video for the rally cat. Have you ridden this thing much yet? Yeah. The rocker is amazing. Just hugs your feet, kind of like the cheese grater. Well, let's go see who's inside. So here's where all the boards are. Oh, cheese grater. Yeah, that's a nice board. And oh, this is the rally cat we were looking for. A nice freshie. That's a beauty. Oh yeah. Well, Tom, didn't you design this board?
Yeah, it is.
We're filming a nice video, so I'm really enjoying it so far. It's my first time riding it, and I'm having a great time figuring out how all the features work. What was your inspiration behind the design?
I just wanted to make like the ultimate board for getting around. You know, I wanted something super low, like a switch.
Yeah.
So it's really nice and fast to push, but also something you can ollie. I mean, it's just an accumulation of a whole bunch of different boards, all kind of packed into one. So we just took a board with the most rocker, and just said double the rocker, and then that wasn't enough, so we added even more rocker. So now I think we got more rocker than any board out there.
The most rocker out of any board.
Yeah, I think so. I don't know, don't hold me to that, but it's got a lot of rocker.
Yeah. The graphic, did you have anything to do with the graphic too? Like,
yeah,
it's really
I worked
nice.
with one of our graphic designers, Alexi. It looks pretty simple, but it was actually a lot of time.
You can see the grain, I love that, but it's still just a really great image. Look at that graphic.
Right on. I got it around, man.
Nice one. Okay, see you later.
Alex.
Wow, what a great day we've had skating the Rally Cat, and we got to meet the designer of the board, and he's also one of the co-owners of Landyachtz, so that was exciting. And I think, yeah, next time we're gonna have to try out one of these other boards because they're all pretty nice. Well, let's get out of here. You're not supposed to see this.